Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best egg cookers in market. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Greenlife Quick Egg Maker. The Greenlife Quick Egg Maker is a small yet versatile tool that can be used to prepare poached, boiled, or omelet-style eggs. This machine makes breakfast or egg salad as easy as flipping a switch. Don't let the compact size fool you. It can cook up to 7 eggs at your desired firmness while still being easy to store. With dishwasher-safe trays, this egg cooker is as quick and easy as they get. Make individual omelets, poach eggs to perfection, and get classic deviled eggs in no time with the Greenlife Quick Egg Cooker. Elite Cuisine by Maximatic Egg Cooker. Instead of having measuring lines inside the cooker that can be hard to read, this comes with a measuring cup that has measurements for soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs. It can handle 7 eggs at a time for boiling or 2 eggs for poaching. There's also a tray for making 2 egg omelets or steaming vegetables. This is a compact, space-saving design that comes in a variety of colors to match the kitchen or add a pop of color. It's easy to operate, with a large button to turn it on, a buzzer to let you know the eggs are done, and an auto-off feature to prevent the eggs from overcooking, though several reviewers mentioned the buzzer is annoying. This is less than $20 and has more than 8,000 sparkling reviews. Bear Electric Egg Cooker. The Bear Egg Cooker is the most versatile machine on our list. It has 2 poaching trays, a boiled egg tray, a stainless steel omelet tray, and a measuring cup that also has a piercing attachment. Not only can it steam 14 eggs at one time, but it also makes a bunch of other things. You can make omelets or scrambled eggs in the cooker, but its height also accommodates large vegetables like whole ears of corn or dishes such as steamed dumplings. Since it is 2-tiered, you can steam eggs on one level and make an omelet on the other. The machine has an auto shoot-off feature, so the eggs don't get overcooked, but it will turn back on again after a while, so don't let them sit too long. Features measuring cup to give an accurate measurement for water in soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. More details and water volume will be listed in manual. Use the piercer to prevent the shell from cracking while the egg cooks. Safety enough. Nordic Ware Egg Boiler. It seems impossible, but this microwave cooker lets you steam cook hard, medium, or soft boil eggs in 10 minutes or less. You don't have to pierce the shells first, and the eggs won't explode. The secret is that the cooker shields the eggs from the microwaves, while at the same time, the microwave heats the water to create steam to cook the eggs. The result is evenly cooked eggs without hot spots that sometimes occur with microwaved eggs. It's just like steam cooking on the stovetop or in an electric cooker. This cooker only holds 4 eggs, and when you're done cooking, you can just pop it in the dishwasher. But since it doesn't get very dirty during cooking, it's just as easy to give it a quick wash in the sink. Since microwaves vary in power, it might take a few tries to find the perfect cooking and resting time to get your eggs just the way you like them. But once you've figured it out, it will produce nearly foolproof eggs every time. Dash Deluxe Rapid Cooker Electric. If you need to cook a dozen eggs at a time, this is the cooker for you. You can make soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, or up to 7 poached eggs in one go. The included omelet tray can be used for omelets or scrambled eggs. Though some reviewers noted uneven cooking, the versatility is definitely a highlight. You can use this machine to steam bao or vegetables. This has automatic shut-off, so you don't need to be there when the eggs are done. If you don't need to cook as many eggs or want a more compact cooker, this brand has a similar appliance that will cook 7 eggs at a time. Boil a dozen eggs in a flash using the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker. Make up to 7 poached eggs or individual omelets at a time, or utilize the big omelet tray to make a one-of-a-kind breakfast. Elite Gourmet EGC7B. Compared to a couple of the other egg cookers we tested, the Elite Gourmet looks unimpressive, but don't judge an egg cooker by its looks. The Elite Gourmet's simplicity and consistency are why we chose it as our top pick. Its egg rack holds 7 eggs, and it comes with a poaching tray and an omelet tray, just like the other egg cookers. But a standout feature that we loved is that the egg rack and poaching tray have vertical handles, which makes lifting them out of the egg cooker much easier than side handles and also reduces the risk of burning your fingers on the hot plate. The Elite Gourmet's measuring cup is also well designed to be user-friendly. We didn't have to decipher any confusing codes. The cup has only 3 markings for water level, each with icons of an egg cooked hard, medium, and soft, no matter how many eggs you're cooking. We also found the egg cooker's instruction booklet comprehensive and easy to understand. Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Bites Cooker and Poacher. Sous vide egg bites have become a popular treat, but not everyone has a sous vide device or molds to cook them. This handy egg cooker cooks egg bites right on the counter, 2 at a time, and makes it easy to add extra flavors with cheese, herbs, or sausage. This egg cooker also makes perfect poached eggs for breakfast or to top your favorite pasta. The cooker is simple to operate, with a power light that indicates that the cooker is powered on and a second light that turns on when the eggs are done, though it lacks any sound alert. Cleanup is easy since the tray and lid are top rack dishwasher safe. If you and your family love eggs, you need the world's most versatile egg cooker in your kitchen. With Egg Bites Plus, you can make up to 4 egg bites, 4 poached eggs, 9 hard-boiled eggs, omelets, scrambled eggs, fried eggs, and more.